Hello, boys and girls. Now let's start the vocab builder. Here we have some review words. Add, subtract, sum, difference. Now we need to sort the review words from the box. Now we have two circles. The blue circle is put together. Put together. The green circle is take apart. Take apart. Now, let's check the first word here, which is add. Now, I want you to think about it. I will make a little small draft here to explain. Now for the word add. Here. When do we add? Let's think about it. Now if I told you that I have 2 apples, 2 red apples, 2 red apples, and Abdelilah has 2 green apples, and we want to know how many apples in total. How many apples? At this case, you are going to add. So we add in order to know how many in a group. Okay? So we put together. We put together. So we are going to take add and put it in which circle? Put together or take apart? Excellent. We put it in put together. So we are going to write add. Okay? So after that, let's take the word subtract. Subtract. Okay? So here for subtract, I want to make another example for you. Now, I have 2 red apples. 2 red apples, okay? And I gave Rashad 1 apple. So I gave Rashad 1 apple to Rashad, okay? So how many are left? How many are left? Let's think about it. Now I have 2 apples. I gave 1 to Rashad. I want to know how many apples are remaining with me. Am I going to add or subtract? Of course I will subtract. So we subtract to find how many are left. How many are left? So subtract means put together or take apart. Which circle? Excellent. Of course, we are going to write it in this circle. Okay. Now, let's move to the third word here in the review words. We have the word sum. Sum. Okay. You can find the sum for 8 plus 7. So here, the 8 plus 7 equal what? You can count on or you can use your fingers. You can put the greater at end, which is number 8, inside your mind and start counting on your fingers. We have 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we have here 15. What do we call this? We call it sum. This is the sum for 8 plus 7. So sum means put together or take apart. Which team should we put sum? In the put together team or take apart team? Excellent, in put together, because we added or we put together the two numbers 8 plus 7 to get 15. Now let's see the last word in the review words. We have here difference. We have here difference. So if I told you that 15 minus 8 equal what? The number that is written here is the difference. This is the difference. So you can find the difference for 15 minus 8. So we can count back. We can say 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Or you can use any strategy that you feel you can use it easily and you can handle its way. So you are free to use whatever strategy you want. You can count back, you can use any subtraction strategy that you studied before. So the answer would be 7. So the difference here, this word, should I put it in the put together team or take apart team? Excellent, in take apart team. Now those vocab are so important because, as I told you before, math is not just